Hello Libra, how are you guys doing today? So if you are Libra, sun, and moon, or rising signs, this message may be for you. Take what resonates and always be true to yourself. So let's see what is going on with Libra today. Making room. The Princess of Swords. The Knight of Swords. Let's do the bottom and the top. I usually do. Knight of Discs and the Death card. Okay, so what is going on for you guys? I feel like things are a little bit crazy around you guys right now. I feel like things are a little bit... So you have the Knight of Swords. Oh, I'm sorry, the Princess of Swords. But then you have the Knight of Swords. So you guys want change, and then there's something that interferes with that change. You guys want to take something to the next step, and something is interfering with that. And you have prudence here on your mind. So there is definitely goals. Could be material goals here. They could be, I want to say house. Maybe some of you guys are thinking about purchasing home or doing something with the home. And then for others, this could be career oriented. You guys could be looking for like maybe more money, another job, maybe an outside job or project to bring in more money. Something about material goals here. I feel for most of you guys it's material. It could be career, skills, could be wellness goals too. So we have the Prince of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Six of Coins here. So things were moving in the recent past with the Prince of Wands. Yeah, things were very busy. I feel like you guys are very busy, and I feel like things were very busy. And you guys are seeing something with the Hierophant. So the Hierophant is tradition, and it can mean, you know, it's the person who knows, the one who knows. It can mean the one who's learning also. But I feel like you guys are seeing something here, learning something about a situation. And I feel like it has to do with relationships with people. Your relationship with other people, it could be multiple people. You could be seeing things about your relationship with others right now. It's like a big, and then we have the Six of Discs. This is success. So I feel like you guys are doing something that's going to help you guys in the near future with this card. So there's a goal here, and I feel like you guys are going to figure something out, how to get this goal done, whatever this is. Material, money, wellness. There's something here that you are, even though there's something blocking it, it's like you guys are going to find a way around it with this card and this card. So you guys are air signs, so you're gonna figure this out. Like, you're constantly thinking and figuring out, you know, it's like you are 2 steps ahead of whatever is trying to interfere with you guys, I feel, in this reading. The Ace of Discs, new idea about something. You got the 10 here, which is completion, and you have the idea here. So you guys are gonna figure this out quickly, I feel, and there's going to be success here. And maybe it's you helping yourselves or having someone else help. Something's happening here. The Prince of Swords. Yeah, so this is what's around you guys. The Prince and the Knight. There's interference. There's a strong energy. There could be strong people trying to interfere, or their energies are just, or things around you that are just, you know, like it doesn't stop, you know, interfering. You know, this usually means like an aggressive person. It can mean that you're feeling aggressive, but I feel like what's going on around you, because the card placement is what's happening around you guys, it's a lot, and it's quick, and it's too much going on around you guys. So abundance, you have the 3 of Cups. This is on your mind. You guys like to have a good time. You guys are thinking about get-togethers and planning things with other people, and how, like, whether it's family, friends, whatever it is, like you guys are focused on enjoying your lives, and then there's all this craziness going on around you guys, and maybe it comes with that too, or it's interfering with that. So you have the Hierophant, and then you have the Priestess card, and this is the near future. So the Priestess is, she's quiet. She kind of observes and doesn't speak. So you could be speaking less in the future and listening more. But I feel like whatever speaking you're doing now is going to work. So maybe you don't have to do so much speaking in the near future when it comes to the situations. There's a big change here, because then you have these other two cards. The Knight of Discs. And you have the Death card, which is always rebirth, because something ends and something begins. It's a big change. This is all about being open to change. And I feel like you guys all want this change. The Knight of Discs is getting things done in a resourceful way. So whatever it is, like you want something out of this. You want something coming in that's going to help, whether it's materialistically, and this is the discs. This is the discs. You have the discs here. You have the Ace here, and this is the End card. This is success. This is success. So there's a change here, the ending of something and the beginning of something else. And I feel like you guys are bringing this in to yourselves, and I feel like you're learning in the process here. I feel like you're learning and you're making things happen with this. Very goal-minded, no matter who is trying to interfere or whatever is happening outside of you is trying to interfere. You guys are like slaying, I feel. Like the Princess of Swords. It's like you're not having it, you're not going to deal with it, you're going to still keep going or find a way around it or do it on the down low, whatever it is that you guys want. I feel like you guys are going to make it happen, and then things are going to slow down, like with the High Priestess, and there's going to be like another knowledge here. I also feel like you guys could be, whatever you're learning now, you could be helping someone else in the future. Whatever is going on here, like this experience may help you give some advice to maybe younger people or something like that around you. Maybe somebody's watching you guys and they're learning from what you guys are doing. So, or maybe you're helping others too with the Hierophant, the teacher, the student and the teacher. So you're learning something, you're seeing something. So I wish you guys well. This is a short reading, but things look good. So take care.